Okay, guys, let's go ahead. It's hot here. I have information Delta. I'm gonna contact ground. We're gonna go to Dallas back, and we're gonna try to do a downtown tour. Okay, that's at Boston. You're gonna ask for that. Ground.
Taxi ground, Skyline 50588.
Last call, executive. See a call done again and request.
It's Skyline 50588 on a VFR following request.
Speaking of power, about the 601 to go.
91 Hotel, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Runway 13, clear for
50588, Executive Tower. If you're looking for flight following, Austin has requested that if you're gonna request it, do it with them. So on the go, it'll just be runway heading. You'll contact them on their departure frequency.
Alright, runway heading and contact departure on the air 505. Executive Tower, star 413 Echo Sierra with request.
413 Echo Sierra, Executive Tower.
413 Echo Sierra, 9.5 miles south or northeast of the airport with information Delta. Request touch and go.
Echo Sierra, Roger. Report 4 miles from the field. And what's your intentions on the departure?
Pattern work? 413 Echo Sierra.
Echo Sierra, Roger.
Second Tower 900 Delta.
50588 with Delta
with Delta Purple.
50588, runway 13, taxi via Alpha.
3D Alpha 50588.
9 Hotel, say again.
About 8.5 to the east with Delta Purple stop. Tower 900 Delta, we got 3 Echo Sierra in sight to our north.
9 Hotel, Roger. You're going to be following that traffic. Additional traffic just off the deck is 91 Hotel eastbound, or southeastbound at 1,200.
Alright, got it. We'll look for them as well. And follow that 3 Echo Sierra and 900 Delta.
Sign 1 Hotel. Upon exiting the Delta, you can continue on course and frequency standard. 9 Hotel, can you give me a position report?
5.5 to the east. We got Echo Sierra in sight. We're looking for 91 Hotel.
Roger.
Skyline 50588, holding short runway 13, ready for departure.
50588, Roger. On departure, will just be runway heading. Departure frequency 127.22, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 12722, 50588. They put the call on A13.
Tower 900 Delta, we're 4 miles out. Still got Echo Sierra in sight.
9 Hotel, Roger. Base follow that traffic. Runway 13, clear for the option. Correction, clear to land.
Base follow 3 Echo Sierra and clear land. 13 900 Delta.
Clear. Speed.
To departure, Skyland 5058.
Skyline 5058, officer ready, till clear 313, 35.
Skyline 5058, off of executive, requesting a CFI flight following to Dallas executive, Romeo Bravo Delta. But before that, we'd like to do a downtown tour and Lake Travis tour if traffic helps.
Skyline 50588, squawk 0214.
214, Skyline 5058.
Okay, keep out here. You should fly for any air on ground view from and deliver if you need it.
Go ahead, cancel IFR now for 2 Papa Delta.
With 2 Papa Delta, the airport gets to speed, maintain a VFR, change about 63 today.
Maintain VFR, change advisory 2 Papa Delta.
Skyline 588, direct contact 3, southeast, executive airport at 2,400, fly heading a 180. South altimeter 3013.
Heading 180, altitude and distance confirm, and 5058.
Airport heading out 180 on the altimeter 3013.
180, 3013, 5058.
Make sure Skyline 588, contact Austin Bridge 125.32.
2532, 5058.
1026, sending via the lake, 250 knots, yank me.
Good night, 1026, Austin approach, runway 18 right.
Fire. American 1083, 2000, climbing 4.
American 1083, Austin departure radar contact, maintain 12000, turn right direct payday.
12,000, direct payday, American 1083.
4 flight 95, radar contact 30 miles west, Austin Bertram 7600, traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles, same direction, altitude 7500, enter right base, runway 18 left.
Okay, position checks, we got the traffic there in sight, and you said right base for 18 left, 4 flight 95.
Hey, affirmative. A21, contact approach 125.32, good day.
Is that for American 821?
American 821, American 821, contact approach 125.32.
Alright, 12532, American 821.
1026, approach 2532, good day.
2532, good day. Approach hello, American 821, descending to 7 down to 5.
American 821, Austin approach, thanks, flighting 125, vector to final, descend and maintain 2,500.
Alright, heading 125 and down 2,500, American 821. So final United 1026 out of 10 on the lake.
1026, Austin approach, roger.
Austin approach, good afternoon. Global 306 Mike Alpha, 10.4 descending on the lakes, information Yankee.
Global 306 Mike Alpha, Austin approach, spectrum 18 left.
18 left for 6 Mike Alpha, thanks.
Austin, airport if possible 2500, and fly south of the city, and then continue to Lake Travis, and then continue on course for Dallas executive.
Yeah, 588, if you want to pass over the top of the airport, that's fine, to stay at above 2,500.
The airport 2500, 5058, thanks.
0. PSAM 548, Austin departure, radar contact, clear direct to Walmart, climb and maintain a 12000.
Clear direct to
At departure, Southwest 2534, no joy on 34.2.
Southwest 2534, contact you, center 132.35.
3235, thanks.
150 to intercept 18 right, airport site, American 121.
American 821, maintain 180 knots or greater till 5 out, cleared, visual approach, runway 18 right.
Alright, 180 or greater, 5 out, clear for the visual, 18 right, American 821.
Yeah, 1026, reduce speed to 210.
We're trying phone at 210, the Americans in the fields inside.
Yeah, 1026, follow the American, cleared visual approach, runway 18 right.
All American, clear the visual to 18 right, United 1026.
Approach November 1670 Juliet, Cessna 172, 7,700 feet, 20 miles to the west, inbound full stop with Yankee.
1670 Juliet, I'll set approach, roger.
American 821, tower 12110, good day.
Forward tower, good day, 821, see it.
Be the normal frequency, they want you on a special one today. Contact you, center 132.35.
American 1083, have a go.
Sky 70 Juliet, clock 0224.
0224, 70 Juliet.
Departure Lear 990 Whiskey Alpha, runway heading 1.8, climbing 4,000.
Still about 30 knots faster than the American ahead. There is no one landing the right side behind you. You can slow down at your discretion. Tower 1110.
Alright, we're slowing, switch to the tower, United 1026 today.
990 Whiskey Alpha, to departure, radar contact, clear direct LOL, climb and maintain 12000.
990 Whiskey Alpha.
Wait, 18 right.
Okay. Okay, 7,800.
Juliet. Afternoon, American 2631. 13,000, descending on the Susie 6.
American 2631, Austin approach. Thank you, flying runway 18 right. You said he had Yankee.
18 right, sorry, yeah, we do have Yankee for American 2631.
Thank you.
Departure Cirrus November 355, Mike Whiskey, north of Lago, heading VFR to Fort Worth at 4,600, climbing 6,500.
Number 4 Whiskey Tango, contact Gray approach 134.35, good day.
4, good day, 4 Whiskey Tango.
Number 4 Whiskey Tango, 134.35.
134.35, 4 Whiskey Tango, thank you.
100 Southwest 1318.
Here's 355, Mike Whiskey, we're at 5,000, climbing 6,500, heading VFR to Fort Worth, we're located just north of Lago.
Center 355, Mike Whiskey, roger, and taking the altitude requested for Fort Worth, and you're going forward with Meacham?
Fort Worth Meacham, Foxtrot Tango Whiskey, we're at 5,200, climbing 6,500 VFR.
R5, Mike Whiskey, roger.
8.07, 48 Tango.
Mike Alpha, airport 2 o'clock and 10 miles.
Fields in sight for 306 Mike Alpha.
306 Mike Alpha, join final over R2, cleared visual approach, runway 18 left.
Join the final over R2 and cleared the visual 18 left for 306 Mike Alpha.
Roger, 0 Mike Fox, 1 minute.
Approach Southwest 4786, 8 down to 5,000.
Again, and your location?
6330 Victor's at 6,500 VFR. I'm just north of Bastrop. Direct VFR to Kilo Papa Victor Whiskey.
030 Victor, copy. Your requested flight following. Give me just a second. I'll be right back with you.
Alpha Tower 1210, good day.
Over Tower 6 Mike Alpha, good day.
First turner heading 220 Vector traffic. Set and maintain 3,500.
1,500, Central 757.
Sujet 77, traffic 11 to 12 o'clock, 5 miles off direction out to the gates 4,700. Advising to get Georgetown in sight at 11 o'clock and about 11 miles.
Roger the traffic. We're looking for them and we have the field in sight, etc. 757.
Good day, 757, roger. I'll have your approach clearance here shortly. If you will, start slowing back just for the Georgetown pattern traffic. They got 3 in there, it looks like.
Roger, we'll start working on the speed, etc. 757.
4 flight 905, contact approach 125.32, good day.
25.32, 4 flight 95.
Sky 70 Juliet, contact approach 125.32.
2532, 70 Juliet, yeah.
Good day, 77, traffic no factor, clear visual approach, runway 18, Georgetown Airport.
Clear visual 18 at Georgetown, exit 757.
1670 Juliet, descending out of 7,400 with Yankee.
1670 Juliet, Austin approach, thank you.
Austin departure 415 Hotel Delta is out of 1,800 for 4,000.
Air 415 Hotel Delta, Austin departure, radar contact, turn right heading 300, climb and maintain 12000.
Right heading 300, climb maintain 12000, 5 Hotel Delta.
25.32. 10.
Good visual 18 radar tower, we'll see you south, we're connecting.
See ya.
Approach Barry 290, we're all done maneuvering here. We'd like to head to Fayette, or LaGrange, and do the RNAV 16 full stop.
South 1944, understand, I'll put the RNAV Zulu for 18 right on request.
Thank you.
Austin, good afternoon. Transcon 399, 20.2, descending via Willie 7, got Yankee.
Transcon 399, Austin approach, thank you. Climb runway 18 left.
18 left.
Sky 70 Juliet, same for you, you can descend at your discretion.
Send our discretion, 70 Juliet.
Skyline 588, you're on your way out to the lake.
Straight to Lake Travis, and then after Lake Travis, we're going to fly on course Temple, and then after Temple, we're going to fly to Dallas Executive, requesting 7,500 feet, 50588.
588, roger.
39, contact Houston Center 132.15, good day.
3215, Southwest 1339, bye-bye.
Uniform, I have November for San Marcos.
Air 60 uniform, thank you. Do you want the visual approach or the RNAV 17?
I'll take the visual, 6 uniform.
Sounds good, you can plan on it.
Departure, Austin departure, Saturday 11, leaving 2,000 for 4,000, heading 150.
Saturn 11, Austin departure, radar contact, turn left, direct Alexi, climb and maintain 12,000.
Left, direct to Alexi, and 12,000, 12,000, Saturday 11.
Approach Austin, Altimeter 3012, advise when you're heading towards Dallas Executive.
Okay, thanks.
Departure Canada 1042, off 18 left, 1500, climbing 4000, heading 210.
Air Canada 1042, Austin departure, radar contact, turn right heading 280, climb and maintain 12,000.
Right heading 280, climb maintain 12,000, Air Canada 1042.
For 18 right.
Affirmative, we'll pass behind him, thank you, for flight 95.
Flight 95, roger, make a short approach, enter right base, 18 left, and contact tower.
Short approach, right base, 18 left, and we'll contact tower for flight 95.
Number 7 Sierra Julia, just maintain VFR at 2,500 for me. You do have the field in sight, 1 o'clock and 5 miles.
500 field in sight, 7 Sierra Juliet.
7 Sierra Julia, thank you. Just maintain 2,500. You're going to pass over the numbers there for the east side downwind. I'll call your downwind turn. Just turn, let's make it 10 degrees right.
24 as Yankee and descending via the Suzy 6 arrival.
Allegiant 3124, Austin approach, thank you, and good afternoon. Climb runway 18 right.
We'll plan 18 right, Allegiant 3124, thanks.
7 Sierra Juliet.
So you can just pass over the numbers for 18 right if you have the field in sight.
All right, we'll do that, 7 Sierra Juliet.
Thanks, American 2631. The field's 12 o'clock, 13 miles, either the visual or the ILS, whatever you need.
In sight for American 2631.
2631, clear visual approach, 18 right, contact tower, speed yours, have a good one.
Alright, clear for the visual 18 right, speed hours, go to the tower, American 2631, appreciate your help.
The transition. November 30 Victor, contact Austin approach on 119.0, good day.
30 Victor.
Global 0 Quebec Sierra, clear direct payday.
Thanks, sir.
Good afternoon, approach Cutlass 6330 Victor's with you. 6,500.
Cutlass 6330 Victor, Austin approach.